Hey, what you doing in there? Come and join me.
All right, here we go. Nice hit. Oh, we got this.
So people come to Argentina, they don't come to eat French food, right? If they come to Argentina, they want to eat beef, of course. And then they want to try empanadas, right? Empanadas. So this is what we'll make. And of course, like any traditional dish, beef empanadas, you have thousands of unique recipes. Unique, authentic recipes. All of them, they are authentic, all of them, they are unique, but there are many, depending on the area, depending on the social condition, depending on so many things, right?
Nice to meet you. Sorry we were late.
Yeah, sorry we were so late.
No, I mean, they did it on purpose.
Ah, there it is.
He's competing with you.
Yes, and it's winning.
We finally made it.
Get ready to soak it all in. Literally.
Crampons were invented to avoid sliding on the ice, so don't be afraid, you're not going to slide. There are no crevices opening suddenly under your feet. That happens only in Hollywood, in the movies, not on this glacier. So again, don't be afraid, walk almost normally. All you have to do is always to keep your feet apart, like a hip's width. Okay? Great. As you can see, we're going to walk on a hilly terrain, going up and down many times, and thus we're going to use different techniques. The technique to go up is kind of easy. Remember to walk always with your feet wide apart and make little steps like penguins to save energy, like this. Look at me. Easy, isn't it? Going down, avoid walking sideways, because it's very likely you're going to sprain your ankles, fall and die immediately.
Fresh. What was that?
I don't know.
Girati dall'altro lato però, no?
Thank you. Cheers. This wall is something else. I am obsessed with this wall. Check this out. And you can pretty much see this from anywhere in town, as well as Monte Fitz Roy. Monte Fitz Roy. Here it is. It's that little peaks right there. That's Monte Fitz Roy. And this is the town of Chalten. Look at the Obachan. Oh, oh. Hola. Oh, gracias. You can see them far, far away. We have to go all the way to the top there. Can't even see where we came from anymore. Oh, down by that river somewhere. Keep going.
Caminando, caminando, I am walking, I am walking. That was better.